Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Beneduc and this is week 2 of the renovation vlog.
Wish we could fly away, you and
I did not think I was gonna get to the point where I can put makeup on and get in front of the bookcase like I usually do, but here I am. It's been a very long week. I had my army weekend and I also had to work the nursing job. So I wasn't as far along as I wanted to when I filmed on Wednesday. So I decided to go back tonight and film. It is 11 p.m. right now and I'm getting this part done, and then I still have to edit and wake up for an appliance sale in the morning because this is my life now. Like, I don't know what happened. Apparently renovating is very stressful, and why the thumbnail says it's a crazy demo week is because I did do some demo, which I'm gonna put some footage somewhere here, there, because I love watching demo videos when they're on HGTV. It was also crazy because we had a pipe break, so I had a huge leak, and then a day later I had another pipe leak. So by the second one I was just like playing in the water. I was like, it's gonna dry off, and you know. Without further ado, let's get into the vlog. Okay, it is 7 p.m. on Friday. I have to post this video tomorrow. These are all the lights that I can have on because I still have no ceiling lights. But this is the living room. I bought my tile and my faucets. I'm super excited. I'm not ready to reveal it yet, but here we are. Ooh. I'm not sure if you remember, that was a pantry and next to it was a big ugly fridge. This is the water resistant drywall that we're gonna use inside the bathroom that I'm gonna show you in a minute. I just wanted you to see right here, this is or was the kitchen and will be again soon. This is gross and we're gonna take that out. And then, yeah, it was really gross behind those cabinets there. And that was open. We found a lot of rat traps that were all chewed out. So hopefully once we close those doors, I haven't seen any rodents running around. So, give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. That was my home security guy because I'm super fancy. I don't know, in Romania only like super rich people have home security, so I feel super fancy already. And you haven't even seen the cabinets. But anyway, we're waiting to work on here after the plans for the cabinets have been approved, which I think we're 1 or 2 days out for that. And then the electrician can come and move all those plates that we have on there. Here, apparently my cold water and hot water were connected weird, were like mismatched, or like reversed, zigzagged. I don't know, but yeah, I have a lot of holes because we were working to fix that. My flooring is right here. I bought a new tool today that I'm super excited about. I haven't used it yet because it was a lot of shopping and seeing, you know, what's going on. And here, all my plans for the bathroom changed when the cabinet guy came, and he was like, why don't you move the door and just have the cabinet over there? So now I'm gonna have a humongous shower. So that was the door before. I will put some footage of that. And then, yeah, so we're gonna flip-flop them. The door will be where the electric is, so I'm waiting for the electrician to come and switch all that. And then here used to be the door, toilet used to be in the middle there. So now the toilet will be facing that way. And then this will be the sink. And then all of that will be shower. Don't mind that pipe, it's gonna go away. So yeah, and then this ceiling hopefully will be smooth ceiling. And then that ugly, useless door is finally covered. So I will take you to the bedroom. All the floors are out. All the corner rounds are out. I don't have any doors except for this door for some privacy when workers are here to use the bathroom or whatnot. But this is, I ran out of the regular drywall, so we have the moisture control drywall in here. And here I'm thinking maybe some like corner corner shelves to put some things, and then you still have enough room. This is me. I didn't have a towel, so I used my t-shirts to wipe my hands after I washed my hands in here. So yeah, I just came from the gym to give you this quick tour. This will come out tomorrow. I'm so excited. Next week is gonna look totally different for next week's tour. This other bedroom, same thing. No floors, no doors. I will work on the AC. Everybody suggested I should buy that Nest AC, so I will be working on that. But this is it for right now, and yeah, we'll see what happens till next weekend. Yeah, that is my fancy trash bag curtain. I can't say curtain. I will probably spell it on the screen, but yeah, I just wanted some privacy when I'm not here. But now I have those fancy door alarms, so everything will be secure. Okay, so this is where we are right now. This is all the progress that we made. As I said in the video, next week is gonna be way better because hopefully all the drywall will be done, the door will be moved, and then, you know, hopefully I can have all the pipes back where they're supposed to and have concrete on top. And then I will probably start painting the baseboards and the trims, and then, you know, be further along. I will give the okay on the cabinets either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and I will have videos about, you know, the kitchen and the bathrooms a month from now. I have to be moved out because I did tell my landlord that I'm moving out. So yeah, it's game time. And also, this cat came over, so I don't know if my tenants own the cat or if now I own a cat, or I'm not sure what the situation is. The plan is to get a dog later on, so if you know any Cavachon breeders in South Carolina, just let me know in the description down below. In the meantime, I do post throughout the week on Instagram at Karina Beneduke, so I will put that right here. And then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to get a notification when I post my next video, and I will see you guys next Saturday.
I say we fly away, you and me.
We did some advances. We made some advances. See how it goes. Why am I so crooked? I already got messed up somewhere.